Well, it was a big day for some of the hardest hit in this pandemic, nursing homes and their residents. Good evening, I'm Shannon Heggie.
And I'm Kim Kalunian. Today, nursing home residents in both Rhode Island and Massachusetts started receiving COVID-19 vaccines. Rhode Island has also started vaccinating first responders and some inmates at the ACI.
12 News reporter Brandon Truitt is live at a Providence nursing home with an update on vaccination efforts and just how many have gotten their first shot so far. Brandon?
Well, Shannon and Kim, about 12,000 Rhode Islanders have already received their first doses in total. That's about 1% of the state. That number expected to increase drastically in the coming days.
They're hanging in there the best they could.
Kenneth Rotella manages Berkshire Place Nursing Home in Providence. The facility was hit hard by the virus in the spring. Many of the people living inside unable to see loved ones over the holidays.
It's a very, a sad period we went through with the holidays, but everyone is looking forward to the new year and better things to come.
Things certainly feeling a little better here today. Berkshire, just one of more than 200 nursing homes and congregate care facilities receiving help from CVS. The company delivering and administering shots on location, and they're going to be moving quickly.
Certainly been an additional challenge to our daily activities.
First responders in Rhode Island also up for the vaccine this week. The shots were given out all day in Bristol. 8 cities and towns from the East Bay working together to get the vaccines to those on the front lines.
It's a global pandemic, so we're also trying to vaccinate the world at the same time. So anything we can get out there right now to our local constituents is a big deal.
Also receiving vaccines, those at the ACI. The Department of Corrections telling 12 News first doses were received this weekend, with some staff and inmates already receiving shots. They will continue administering vaccines following Department of Health guidelines, saying, quote, "We are continuing our concurrent efforts to vaccinate our entire staff as vaccines become available."
So the Department of Health says that vaccinating inmates at the ACI has to do with their congregate living facilities. The ACI has reported more than 600 positive COVID cases during this pandemic. As for nursing homes, they're going to receive another round of first doses in the coming weeks. Live in Providence, Brandon Truitt, 12 News.
Other big story tonight, the growing effort to vaccinate people against COVID-19.
Today, nursing home residents and first responders started getting their shots. 12 News reporter Brandon Truitt joins us live now from outside one of the nursing homes in Providence. Brandon?
Well, Kim, just about 1% of Rhode Islanders have been vaccinated so far. That's about 12,000 people. That number expected to go up rather quickly in the coming days.
Very, very tough situation we went through.
Few people know the true wrath of this virus better than Kenneth Rotella.
We had almost 100% positive cases among our residents.
In the spring, the Berkshire nursing home was hit hard. The Providence facility says they have been on the mend ever since.
He turned that around, and starting in July, we haven't had any cases of COVID at all.
The Berkshire, just one of more than 200 assisted living and congregate care facilities in Rhode Island receiving vaccine Monday. CVS pulling out all the stops, delivering and administering shots at each site. Rotella says 75% of his residents and nearly the same percentage of staff will be vaccinated by day's end.
We're hoping to get a few hundred people through here today.
Down in Bristol, a similar operation. This vaccine event for first responders in Bristol and Newport counties.
Certainly there's been an uptick recently.
Bristol Fire Chief Michael DeMello contracted COVID at the beginning of the month. He had mild symptoms and has since recovered, now focused on keeping other people from experiencing the same.
As we've seen, you really don't know how it's going to affect you, and I think that's what makes people worrisome. Is I had basically a head cold, and then we see other people that are in intensive care situations.
So at that event in Bristol, first responders were vaccinating other first responders. They said they did this in a way to expedite the process, as well as pull less resources from doctors' offices and nearby hospitals. Live in Providence, Brandon Truitt, 12 News.